Hello everyone, welcome to my Android 18 cosplay tutorial. Another DBZ waifu and longtime cosplan. It's simple and comfortable, yet iconic. Starting with the makeup, I wanted to go heavy on the eyes but keep the rest of the face neutral. I wore blue Manson lenses, then filled in my brows with a blonde mascara, and primed my face. I used a small brush with foundation to clean up my brows, then applied more with a damp sponge to the rest of my face.
I also set with loose powder and the same sponge. Sorry for the robot voice, I forgot to record this part, lol.
I contoured my nose, cheekbones, and jawline to add definition. Then lined my eyes with a black eyeliner pencil, connecting the inner and outer corners with a slight wing at the ends. Pro tip, use a matte black eyeshadow to clean up and set your liner. I tightline with even more eyeliner, then apply mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I add spiky false lashes and a generous amount of nude lip gloss. Then setting spray, of course. Moving on to the wig, Android 18's hair is a short bob cut with some volume at the top. Luckily, Kasao Wigs had a wig in her style that's basically ready to go. It even has a teased hairline. All I did was trim a few hairs off the bottom to clean it up, and that's it. Lastly, we have the costume. Although she wears a few different things, I chose this classic look for my cosplay. I purchased this Android 18 cosplay from McCostumes. Check out my try-on review for more details. Paired with black leggings that I already owned and brown boots in a similar style from Poshmark. I also wore small gold hoop earrings, which you might recognize if you watched my Hailey Smith Closet Cosplay Challenge. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. And if you want spicy, exclusive Android 18 content, then subscribe to my OnlyFans. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel TaraFYW for more cosplay tutorials and other fun things. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video from me, and until next time, please take care and stay well.